It's kind of a little spicy, kind of medium body. It's really good. It's fresh. There's some capers, a little salt, salt to olive oil. It's just fabulous. The flavors just burst in your mouth. It's chilly outside but warm inside. You need a glass of Prosecco. So cheers again, and thanks for watching my videos. Good afternoon guys. Another video from New York City. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So we're going to head over to Italy. You see over there? That's a very, very famous gourmet Italian kind of marketplace. They have got restaurants, they have bars, and they have great food stuff in there. So let's go and check it out. Let's go guys. So it's very crowded over here, as you can see. So this is the cafe area. Today is a weekend, so you can see a lot of crowd over here. So a little history about Italy. Italy was started by a very famous Italian chef called Mario Batali. It started right over here. This is the first one, but now he has got Italy's, not only other Italy's in New York City, but they're in LA. There's probably in a couple of other cities too, but it's a nationwide thing now. It's all over the US, but they have got fantastic bars and restaurants and all kinds of Italian gourmet things, which I would like to show you guys. So come on and let's get to it. There's kind of all kinds of gourmet chocolates over here. Let's check them out. This is Italian chocolate. Very fancy, guys. Look at the prices. Actually, it's not that bad. It's about $8 to $9 for these chocolates. Look at the assortment of chocolates, candies. It looks like a heaven for kids, I think. People who like candies. And on the other side, you have gourmet cheese. You have artisanal drinks over here. This is crushed peppers. Wow, look at this. This looks interesting, crushed peppers. So let's go to the grocery section first and check out what do they have to offer. Wow, look at the seafood. This looks fresh. So again, this is in the Nomad area of New York City. So definitely come and visit this place. If you're over here, you will love it. And there are several bars and restaurants over here. This is one of the bars. So let's check out the other places. We're going to have some food over here, definitely. And look at the fresh oysters and octopus, all of that over here. Again, there's too many people, I think, but it's a weekend, so what can you do? But that's what the good places have, a lot of people. There's a bread section. So let's go and check out what's there on the grocery side. There's pasta, all kinds of different pastas. There's pasta truffle. This is pasta saffron. Again, ideal for Italian cooking. Mediterranean spices over here. And that's the butcher section. Let's see what kind of meat do they have. It's like fresh cut meat. Wow, look at this. It's fantastic. And they have this Italian sausages. They have tenderloin, they have pork, they have steak, all of that stuff. And you know what's the cool thing is, actually you can get a glass of wine and shop while drinking your nice Italian wine over here, which is so incredible, isn't it? But look at this. Wow. Different kinds of pastas over here. This is all high-end stuff, guys. See, it's got Italian pantries. So this is Sicilian pesto style. So this is pesto. This is again another ingredient. You can make all kinds of pasta with pesto and pine nuts, etc. Look at this. This is the tomato sauce. This is the eggplant pasta sauce. This is marinara, which is so essential for good Italian cooking. So as you can see, guys, this is a heaven for Italian cooking lovers. So if you are into Italian cooking, Italy is the place. Definitely come over here, definitely check it out. This is the balsamic vinegar from Italy. So it's really gourmet products right out of Italy. And you have more meat. As you know, Italian food, one of the staples of Italian food is pasta and tomato sauce. Now, again, I'm generalizing, but some of the best dishes have a lot, have a lot of tomato sauce added to it. So you come over here and you can get all of this. And oh my God, so many different kinds of pasta over here. So let's go and check out more stuff on that side, and let's check out the restaurant. Let's check out the wine section. Let's get some wine. Let's party, guys. Let's party at Italy. So guys, they make their pasta fresh over here. Look at this. And this is the pasta with all kinds of, look at this. They make everything fresh. How cool is that? So that's another bar and a restaurant. I think you need reservations probably over there to sit, but I'm going to try and see if we can get a place to sit. But look at that incredible place over here. Look at this area. This is so beautiful. This is the cheese. This is Italian cheese over here, and they're just slicing the cheese over there. And that's the ham. That's the cured meat hanging from the rack over there. You see this in Italy, in Spain, wherever in Europe you go. And this is so European, guys. You feel like you're in a little market in Europe, as I said. Fresh vegetables, bananas, fruits. Wow, this is fabulous, guys. You have the fruits, got fruits over here, you got vegetables. As I said, you have everything over here. If you love cooking, you can just come and just buy from here, and take it home with a nice bottle of wine. You have dinner. It's so fantastic. Look at this. This is another restaurant. Look at this chocolate, raspberry nougat slices over here. They're so yummy. They look so yummy, guys. I love these, by the way. These are the best. It's sweet and it's nutty, it's punchy, it's really nice. But let's go around, let's check out other places, other sections, and see if we can get wine somewhere or something to eat. And also I want to go upstairs to the beer garden and show you guys how that is. Maybe I have to put my name over there beforehand, so let me go and at least put my name over there so that I can take you over there. Guys, going up to the 14th floor, that's where the rooftop bar is. Let's go and check it out. So this is the beer garden. We're just walking up. It's called the Sarah. Wow, very nice of it. I hope I find a place. So people are waiting over here in line. So let's see if I can find a place. So guys, walking into the bar over here, look at how beautiful this beer garden is. Wow, isn't it gorgeous? This space. It's a gorgeous little restaurant. I'll have some drinks and chill out and show you how it is. Look at this bar. It's fabulous. So let's go and get some drinks, guys. So guys, found a place at the bar. This is how the bar looks like. Isn't it gorgeous? I just love this place. And during summer, everything kind of opens up over here, so it's just gorgeous. So I will put a link below again to show you where Italy is. And this is called Sarah. I'm going to put a link below to say where to come. So if you're in New York City and if you're in Italy, definitely come over here because you'll love this place. So guys, I ordered a glass of Prosecco, so waiting for my Prosecco to come. And I'll tell you how it tastes. This is an Italian place. Of course, you need a glass of Prosecco over here, and it's a beautiful afternoon. It's chilly outside, but warm inside. You need a glass of Prosecco. So I will tell you exactly how Prosecco tastes over here. Guys, now is the moment of truth. Let's see how it tastes. Cheers, guys. It's good, it's refreshing, bubbly, very nice. This Prosecco, this Italian Prosecco is really good. I love Prosecco. So, cheers again, and thanks for watching my videos. So guys, so we came down now. I'm at the main hall. So I'm at this restaurant called La Piazza. So it's all Italian stuff. I'm going to order some red wine. So nice red Italian wine, that's what I'm going to order. Just chill out over here. I'm trying to get a place for myself, but it's a little bit tough as it's the weekend and everybody is over here. So hopefully I can get a place, but till then I'm going to just stand and have some wine and chill. Oh wow, definitely going to get this one. This tastes fantastic. Got this Sangiovese wine. This is the Italian wine and it's red, as you can see, and it's kind of a little spicy, kind of medium bodied, really good. But let's try it out. Excellent. I totally recommend this one. It's A1. So got some cauliflower over here. Let's try it out. This is yummy. Kind of, we have pine nuts over here. A little bit spicy. Not that spicy, it has a sweet taste to it too. It's really nice. So let's try out this salmon. It's fresh. There's some capers, a little salt. There's also olive oil. It's just fabulous. The flavors just burst in your mouth. So guys, look at this menu. So they have all kinds of little small plates over here. Mozzarella, mortadella, prosciutto, penne, cruda, carne cruda. It's like really yummy stuff. All Italian, very freshly made. And then you have with this little bites over here as well. I love this place. I love the wine selection. I love the food selection over here. Now let's look at the wine selection. It's even better. This is all the red wine over here. And I ordered this one, this Sangiovese. I love Sangiovese. Kind of light body and a little spicy. I love it. And then you have with the white wines over there with the Chardonnay. And this is the white and this is the sparkling side of the wine selection. It's yummy, guys. This place is probably one of the best wine and food selections with all these little restaurants over here. You get to taste all kinds of different things over here. So if you're in Italy, definitely stop by at these restaurants and have something, you know, even if it's a small bite or something like that with wine. So cheers, guys. Thank you. So got this great meat platter over here. This is a feast, guys. So this looks yummy. I'm very sure this is going to taste yummy too. So let's dig in, guys. Let's dig in. Let's try it out. It's so tasty, guys. Hey guys, so still enjoying the wine. I think I'm going to get another different glass of wine. Maybe I'm going to try the Montepulciano and let's see how it is. But this is excellent wine. I definitely recommend this place and definitely recommend this wine. This Chianti is just amazing and it's $16 a glass. It's not that expensive for New York City, trust me. So guys, if you're enjoying my videos, you know what to do. Please hit that subscribe button, please hit that like button, and do not forget to hit that bell notification icon because I'm coming up with new videos all the time and you want to know them before anybody else knows them. So please hit that bell icon and I request you please put a comment below because I need to know how you are liking my videos because it's very important for me because that's how I can get you better and better content. And if you want me to cover anywhere in New York City or as I said anywhere on this planet, please let me know. I would go there, fly there for you, just for you guys and produce a video. So I'm going to end this video now and ciao and hope you have a great evening and see you soon. Take care.